You ever wonder how they make these really simple map animations inside of After Effects? It's pretty easy, so let's get started. First, what you want to do is grab your pen tool. Let's go from Pierre to whatever this is, Jefferson City, Oklahoma City, and then let's end in Dallas. Draws out a line for us. Drop down on this, drop down on this, drop down on shape, drop down on stroke. Let's increase the stroke width to make it bigger. Let's do round cap, round join. Let's turn on dashes, increase our dash count. Go to add, click trim paths, drop down on trim paths, keyframe the end, move it down our timeline, move this down to 0%, and then hit play. It draws out a quick and simple line for us, which is super nice. To add one more level of complexity to this, just go to add, rounded corners, drop down on this, drop down on the radius, and increase it. It rounds the corners for us. And that is how you make a quick little map animation inside of After Effects. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And if you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out filmit.io. QR code is on the screen. Plenty of digital tools and awesome assets for all you creators. Check it out today.